Hello everyone, welcome to yet another episode of Gardening with Colin. I am your host, Colin Caulfield, and today's story starts off at Home Depot, where we're going to get a little red mulch to add some color to the space. First of all, you might be wondering, what is mulch? Let me tell you. Now, mulch is a layer of material that you apply to the top of the soil in order to conserve moisture, improve fertility, reduce weeds, and last but not least, enhance the visual appeal of the area. There's a ton of different kinds of mulch, but the one we're concerned with today is red mulch, which is dyed red because it's very spicy and badass. Now, as the host of my own gardening show, I will tell you that gardening is no cheap endeavor, and if anything, it can really break the bank. Lucky for us, this red mulch here, quite a steal at $2.50 a bag, and no complaints from me. Hey everyone, well, successful trip to Home Depot. I made it back in one piece. As you can see, I have some red mulch down here already, and now I'm going to fill in the rest. In order to prepare the area, I've done a little bit of weeding, but I'll be the first to say that I didn't do a great job. However, if you remember from my mulch primer earlier, one of the benefits of mulch is that it stops weeds from growing, so hopefully we're going to be fine. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and crack open these bags and lay it down. As you can see, the red mulch does a huge amount of work, adding a little bit of spice, flavor, and badass quality to the garden. Well, there you have it everyone. This has been another episode of Gardening with Colin. I'm your host, Colin Caulfield. I hope you learned a little bit about mulch today, but even if you didn't, I'm just glad you're here. It's been such a pleasure, and I hope to see you in the future for what is surely many more episodes of Gardening with Colin.